Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Tree, and I'm going to show you how to draw a bird because someone in the comments requested it, and this is going to be my last drawing video actually, guys, because I am transforming my channel into gaming, which is like jailbreak Roblox, just normal Roblox games, DFly.io and Slither.io. So yeah. I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below, because that only takes about 5 seconds and that would help me a lot. Okay, so that's do the main bit of the bird, do the main body of the bird and the wings and stuff like that. Okay, so I've finished it now, the main structure of the bird, and now I need to just add some lines, the eyes, and yeah. And the tail should have 2 feathers or something. And then I am not actually an expert at drawing, so my voiceover is pretty bad. Okay, do the claws. And then maybe you should do some background, like branches, something like that. I'm doing branches. This is actually a pretty terrible bird, but it's pretty simple and for beginners, and I'm a beginner, so that's why I am doing a beginner bird. Okay, I'll see you when I finish coloring it in. Okay, so now I've colored it in, and yeah, that's basically it on how to draw a bird. This video is only 2 minutes long because this bird is really super duper simple. Maybe do some clouds, I don't know. Okay, remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I will see you next time in another video. Thank you, and bye.